Hi, this is Kim Boswell, and this is an informative email or video, excuse me, about Google Classroom. I just thought that this might be helpful because in the next coming days, most students will see term one connections and term two connections. And I wanted to let you know that these place cards can move around, and it's kind of helpful for me visually to put my, like, I have my second, fourth, and sixth period classes all on the same row. And so when it's that day, that Tuesday and Friday, I move them up to the top row because I know that these are the classes that I'm going to have today. And then I switch it with my first period, third period, and seventh period, um, when I have those days on Mondays and Thursdays. Okay. If a teacher doesn't archive a class, so in other words, term one is about to be over, and we are supposed to archive term one once we're done looking at all the students' assignments. And so if a teacher doesn't archive it, please don't unenroll because that will. I don't even have that choice because I'm not a student, but their students have a choice to unenroll. Please don't unenroll because that'll erase all of the work, or the work that you did in that class will go away. I would just move these classes all the way to the bottom, so that you can then, see your dashboard clearly and know that the top two rows are yours. This also, depends on the type of device you're using. So maybe you're just seeing this device, size. I just make the window as big as I can, and move around my little place cards for my classrooms, so that I can see it clearly when I'm switching. Anyway, I hope this is helpful in organizing. The other thing is, teachers have a to review, and students have a to do. And so when a student goes to their to do, they should be able to pull up the class that they want to know if they are missing work, and they should be able to see what they haven't turned in. Of course, I have a lot of things I haven't graded. All right, so I hope this was helpful. Please email me at kboswell@csdecatur.net if you need more advice.